I didn't know there was a silent war on Kevin, carried out through the silent guerrilla warfare by those with a dysfunctional need to control. The weapons were guilt, neglect, name smear campaign, avoidance, and blame. When Kevin acted up in defiance, the finger was pointed. See? Look, he's crazy. Kevin became aware throughout the years, to the point where the war was still waged, but Kevin didn't show up. He was too busy playing guitar, singing, being the miracle, and performing alchemy in his grace mind.